Hi, my name is Ryan Malonzo and I'm a Customer Success Manager for onboarding here at Sprout Social. Today, I will demonstrate how to use employee advocacy to show ROI and EMV. To start, let's define what EMV means. EMV, or Earned Media Value, is a metric used to calculate the worth of publicity gained through promotional efforts. Simply put, this reflects how much your company is saving on acquiring impressions if you use your business page's paid advertising services to promote your post instead of using employee advocacy where you get them for free. We can use your EMV data here within your reports to highlight the ROI, or as we all know, your return on investment in using advocacy tool to determine its profitability. It's exceptionally useful for measuring success over time and taking the guesswork out of making future business decisions. To configure your EMV, you can go to your company settings, and then you can scroll down to include Earned Media Value in the report section. There you go. So from here, you will see that your EMV is being measured by cost per 1,000 impression, or the price for every 1,000 times your posts have been seen. Also, the numbers showing here are ballpark estimates for each network. To make sure that we track your EMV accurately, we can get the exact CPM from your paid reports if you have used your business page's paid ad services before. Once set up, you can go ahead and click on Save Changes, or Save Values rather, to make the changes active. Now, once you're done configuring your EMV, you may now see your data within Reports under the General tab. You will have visibility to your total EMV, as well as specific EMV metrics per network. You can incorporate these data in your next leadership meeting presentation to show how much your company is saving when you are using employee advocacy to promote stories instead of availing the paid services of your business pages. To recap, your Earned Media Value in reports allows you to amplify the value of your employee advocacy tool by showing the monetary value of your return of investment for utilizing the tool, which as a result serves as a benchmark for shaping marketing strategies for the future. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you again next time.